Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a friend for many years. He doesn't cook very much. However, he has a wok in his kitchen. One year I was visiting him and I asked him, what did you use your wok for? He told me that he used his wok for only one purpose, that is to make spaghetti noodles. At that time, I used my wok for only one purpose, that is for stir fry. He explained to me the advantage of using the wok for making spaghetti noodles. Once he explained to me, I understand why it is so good. The reason is that a wok has a large opening. Most of the wok are 14 inches across the top, and they are just the right size to accommodate spaghetti noodles. In this video, I would like to show you the advantage of making spaghetti noodles in a wok. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. It is a perfect wok for this purpose. I have done a review earlier and I really like this wok. If I am going to have only one wok, this will be my choice. This wok is comparatively light as you compare to other woks on the market. For example, I have a Cook Standard stainless steel wok, but that wok weighs over 4 pounds. On the other hand, this wok weighs only 3 pounds. The reason why this wok is so light is due to its construction. And now most stainless steel cookware, in order for it to have good heat transduction, what they have is that they have a layer of aluminum encapsulated between two layers of stainless steel. Aluminum has much better heat conduction capacity in comparison to stainless steel. In this Cuisinart stainless steel wok, what they do is that they only encapsulate aluminum in the bottom of the wok. And since for stir fry, it is the bottom of the wok that in contact with the heat that is important. And because of this construction, it makes this wok much lighter. Initially, because of the thinness of the wok, I was a little bit concerned about its durability. When I read the box, it has a lifetime warranty, so that is my concern. I must admit, I find that being lighter, it definitely is a clear advantage. Another significant advantage of this wok is that it comes with stainless steel handle as well. And the stainless steel handle are constructed in a way that when it is being used, it stays cool. Because of the stainless steel construction across the entire wok, it makes it feasible for it to be used in the oven. So the wok itself has a temperature rating up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. One thing that I really like about this wok is that it comes with a tempered glass cover. The glass cover can also go into the oven, but it is rated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And when you combine all these factors together, it makes the wok extremely flexible for use in different type of cooking situation. One thing I really like about the glass cover is that when you boil water in the wok, you can put a cover on. This reduces heat loss and make the water boil much faster. So in this demonstration, I'm going to make 2 pounds of spaghetti. This is a lot of noodles. I used to make it in a big pot and I struggle with that. I'm going to fill the wok with water to almost about 3/4 full. I put the wok on the stove and I put the cover on and I set the setting to high. With the cover on, the water boils much faster in comparison when I don't have one. As my friend has explained to me, the beauty of making spaghetti in the wok is the length of the spaghetti is about 12 inches, whereas the wok is 14 inches. This means that you can lay the spaghetti directly across the surface of the wok. In comparison, when you're using a stock pot, you have to somehow fit the noodles into the pot. The large opening of the wok also has another advantage. It allows you to stir the noodle easily. And also because of the large surface, it prevents the water from boiling over. I set my timer for 6 minutes and it is just about the right amount of time to cook them. When the noodle is done, instead of pouring everything into a large colander, I have a colander set next to the wok filled with water. I simply use a pair of tongs to transfer the noodles into this colander with cold water. It is much less hassle this way than have to carry the whole thing to the sink and pour everything into a colander. I then take the colander over to the sink and drain the water in it and then rinse it with more cold water. Using this method, I can make 2 pounds of spaghetti almost effortless. Of course, I will not be able to eat all this spaghetti. So what I do is that I will store them away in plastic container to be used later. Cooked spaghetti has a shelf life about a week. I have also learned that if you distribute your spaghetti shortly after you cook them, it is much easier to manage. If you let them to sit too long, they tend to stick together. Now when I cook spaghetti, I do not use any salt or oil. I don't think it is necessary. If I can make things simpler, I definitely will. When I store them, I also do not coat them with oil either. One thing I really like about stainless cookware is that they are very easy to clean. However, it has been well known that stainless steel cookware has one disadvantage in compared to other wok cook surfaces. They do not season as well as in comparisons to carbon steel wok or cast iron cookware. Now I have discovered that I can season my stainless steel wok using my spot seasoning method. So after cleaning up this wok, I want to demonstrate how well my spot seasoning method in seasoning this stainless steel wok. One way to test the effectiveness of my spot seasoning is to fry an egg in it. After I season the wok, I fry an egg in it, and the egg has no problem in sliding across the surface of the wok. This demonstrates that the wok has excellent non-stick property. I next cook a large egg omelette in it, which is usually a challenge for demonstrating whether the wok is non-stick or not. I have no problem in putting the egg over in making the omelette. So again, this wok has passed the test of seasoning to obtain its non-stick property. So in summary, you can see the wok has many functions in different cooking situations. In addition, for the wok to use as a stir-fry pan, it can also be used to boil water, in this case for making spaghetti noodles. And one thing I do like about this Cuisinart stainless steel wok is its ability to be used in the oven. So as you can see, this wok may be the only cooking utensil that you will need for meeting all different kinds of cooking needs. Right now, I have 10 different woks that I use on a regular rotating basis, and I like all of them in many different ways. For example, I really like my carbon steel wok, and I like my cast iron wok, all in different capacity. But in terms of the ability to use for different cooking situations, I think this wok probably beats them all. Thank you for watching. Please click the like icon below if you find this video useful. This will help me to extend the visibility of my YouTube channel. If you'd like to receive notification of my future videos, please subscribe. See you next time.